Plants, we are going to discuss about dioecious plants. In monoecious plants, actually in a plant, male flower and female flower, it consists male flower and female flower. But in dioecious plants, male flower, male plants and female plants are separate, like unisexual plants. Okay, example is nothing, that is a unisexual only, nothing but we can call what papaya. Papaya, separate male reproductive system, male flowers, and male plants, separate female plants. Separate male plants and separate female plants having it dioecious plants. After dioecious plants, now the reproductive phase in plants. Reproductive phase. Phase means stage. Reproductive phase in plants. Generally, in plants, reproductive phase starts after vegetative phase. The reproductive phase starts after vegetative phase. What is vegetative phase? Vegetative phase means, for example, the after development of what? Root, stem, branches, leaves, it bears the flowers. It gives the flowers. That plant gives the flowers, bear the flowers. So that is we can call reproductive phase. Reproductive phase starts after vegetative phase. In animals, after juvenile phase, reproductive phase starts. In plants, after vegetative phase, reproductive phase will be starts. Okay, in reproductive phase, very important we have to discuss. Okay, some plants are monocarpic plants is there. Some plants are monocarpic. Okay, which is the reproductive part of the plant? That is flower. Flower is the reproductive part of the plant. Reproductive part of the plant is flower. Here in monocarpic, what is monocarpic plants? What is monocarpic plants? Mono means once only, one only. Carpic, the female reproductive system. In their lifetime, that means these plants, they are giving the flowers only once in their lifetime. Once in their lifetime. They are giving the flowers once in their lifetime. Try to understand what is monocarpic. Mono means once only. In their lifetime, giving the flowers only one time. Try to understand. Okay, that is we can call monocarpic flowers. What are the examples of monocarpic? The monocarpic flowers, for example, annual plants. You know what is annual plants? Like rice, jowar, bajra, okay, corn. These type of some of the plants, annual plants, these are giving the flowers in their lifetime only one time. After giving the flowers, they are died. After seeding the whatever flowers are turns into seeds, after seeding they will die. That means in their lifetime it gives only one time only. Try to understand. Just think about what rice plants, especially about rice, jowar, bajra, these type of what wheat. These plants are especially in their lifetime it is giving the flowers only one time. That is we can call monocarpic plants. And one more good example of monocarpic, bamboo. Bamboo especially, it gives the flowers in their lifetime only once. After giving the flowers, the plant will be died. Only 50 to 100 years. In there, between 50 to 100 years, it gives the flowers, it will be died. The bamboo is a good example of monocarpic. In the lifespan, it is used only one time. That is what monocarpic. Rice, jowar, bajra, that is monocarpic. And bamboo is also one of the example of what monocarpic. And one more good example, that example is needle. Okay, Neelakuranji. This is the scientific name is Strobilanthes kunthiana. Strobilanthes kunthiana. Okay, especially for this type of flower, especially what we call Neelakuranji. The word we are observe this type of flower. It gives the flower. This type of plant gives the flowers in their lifetime. After 12 years once, it gives the flowers in 12 years once only. It will be gives. Generally, some of the plants like mango and other plants, they are giving the flowers in every year, seasonal wise. But these are Neelakuranji. That name is Neelakuranji. That flower gives 12 years once only. They give the flowers. In which area we are observed this type of plant? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. These areas are mountain areas. In these areas, we are observed in mountains are especially 2 areas ones. The mountains are covered with blue, Neela. That means what the word blue color. What flowers it is bearing the blue cover flowers in 12 years once only. This is the scientific name is what? Okay, Strobilanthes. Okay, kunthiana. Remember Strobilanthes kunthiana. This is the what good example of what monocarpic flower. In their lifetime, it will be bearing the flowers in once only. Like what bamboo is also example, good example. Annual plants like rice, jowar, gramineaceae family plants also good example of monocarpic plants. In their lifetime, it will be gives the flowers in only one time only. That is we can call monocarpic flowers. After monocarpic, okay, and some are annual plants is there. Annual plants, okay, and annual plants they give the flowers in their lifetime. Okay, and now. And biennial flowers. Biennial also. What is the meaning of biennial means what? Biennial, some are annual plants, some are biennial plants. Biennial plants what? There are in 2 years. Their lifespan is 2 years. They are giving the flowers in the 2 years only. One time only they are giving the flowers. Bearing the flowers within 2 years, it bearing only once only. Biennial flowers example is black eye Susan. And also what? Hollyhock is the example of biennial. Biennial means what? Annual flower means, annual plants means which are living in 1 year. That is annual plants. Biennial plants means what? Which are living 2 years. They are bearing the flowers only one time. Example is what? Black eye Susan, especially for hollyhock. And perennial. What is the meaning of perennial? Here monocarpic means in their lifetime it gives only 1 year. One time only. Bearing the flowers. Perennial plants, example, perennial, these are living so many years. That means peri means so many. Perennial plants example is mango, eucalyptus, whatever is there, other plants which are whatever we are seeing around us. Okay, Azadirachta, indica, okay, so many pine. These are the example of perennial plants. They are living. Their lifespan is more, not 1 year and not annual, not. Okay, biennial, it is perennial. Perennial means they are living in so many years. And they are bearing the flowers also seasonal wise. What is the meaning of seasonal wise? That means, for example, mango. Mango gives the flowers on summer season. Okay, seasonal wise they are bearing the flowers. They are giving the flowers seasonal wise. That is we can call perennial flowers. Okay, okay. Now, thank you. Stop.